Over 1,500 students from Ryan and St. Xavier group of schools made use of self-assembled solar cookers to cook their own breakfast. The Ryan International Group of Institutions, in association with Keshav Srishti, organized Maha Surya Kumbh, Urja Swavalamban Ki Or, at St. Lawrence High School grounds, Kandivali. Over 1,500 students from various schools belonging to the Ryan and St. Xavier's group participated in this mega event. Driven by the concern over global climate change, Keshav Srishti has been propagating reliable energy as a fundamental building block for development.
Ryan International Group and all the Xavier Group, it's like my alma mater. And the qualities which were imbibed in our school is the same quality which I am giving it right now. So there is nothing big deal about me. What is big deal is about this group, this entire organization, which I have done so much. And I really thank Pinto sir that the vision which he visualized from past 25 to 30 years is now sowing, the seeds has been sown and the trees are fluttering here and there. Thank you Pinto sir, thank you ma'am, and thank you everyone and students of this school. Please make sure that in years to come, you are going to be the leader.
This whole initiative started on 4th January 2014. We had conducted one event named Surya Kumbh in Keshav Srishti ground, and that event was recognized by Guinness Book of World Record, Lingua Book of World Record, India Book of World Record. Today happened all over Mumbai. We had 5 big events, but this is the biggest one where we 1,700 students have participated in this event. So we want to conduct it every year, and we want to spread this message of awareness among the children every year.
Over the period, Keshav Srishti, an NGO over here from Bandar, they have actually scaled this project into an entirely new limelight. Last year, they received Guinness World Record for conducting similar program that was called as Surya Kumbh, and 3639 children had participated in this event. The biggest event that was held in the entire world of similar kind was 250 participants. All of them were adult, and they didn't assemble the solar oven. They actually used the ready-made solar cooker, and among 5 they cooked something. So you can imagine the scale at which this event and the parallel event has been held in the world. So this is all about Surya Kumbh.
Enthused Ryanites and Xavierites took part in this Maha Surya Kumbh, an extraordinary event that witnessed simultaneous cooking of food in self-assembled solar cookers. Every student was given a solar cooker which they assembled on their own as per the instructions given and cooked their own delicious breakfast. The young minds got into this thrilling stream of alternate energy and had a first-hand experience of solar cooking using self-assembled solar cookers.
In short, can you tell us the experience about the Maggi you have eaten?
It was very nice and tasty, and we think that next time we will come here once again.
It was nice. I want to visit here again. It was a very good experience, and I would like to thank the Surya Kumbh for all that they have done. It was very nice experience for me, and I like to thank Maha Surya team for giving this nice technology to save electricity on the earth.
I would like to thank Chairman Sir, Madam for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to work, to do the solar cooking without the use of oil, water, only the use of water. I am very thankful to them.
We had to learn about the solar energy from the cooking Maggi. The sir gave us the instructions about that, and we had to make it. It was very nice experience to make a Maggi for a solar system.
When we used that solar cooker, my solar cooker was very hot. So it was really a nice experience.
Today you all are here for this wonderful program. So what are you feeling?
At an event where we are trying to conserve energy, preserve gas for the future use, it's a very great thing, and happy to be an initiative of this. And I am in future also, by buying these solar cookers, by buying these solar stoves, preserve the gas and electricity and various things that will be very essential for the future.
It's a very nice opportunity to do like this, and saving the gas and cooking food using the solar energy. I'm very happy to be here, and I actually want to know that how they cook food with the solar energy.
Cooking with the solar panel is my first time, but I tried cooking like normal foods like snacks or like Maggi. You can cook on gas, but I never tried in solar panel. So I'm very excited about this.
Today we'll learn how to preserve gas, and we'll learn how to cook by the
energy of the sun. So today I feel excited.
Good experience. We now know how to cook in the solar energy also. It was a nice experience learning about new ways of harvesting an energy. We do not know how to cook like this way. My mother tell me in the villages they use like this way and burning woods. In city I don't know that this was used like this way, and it was very amazing.
The guests present at this mega event were Member of Parliament Mr. Gopal Shetty, Mr. Praveen Darekar, Mr. Atul Bhatkalkar, MLA, Mr. Alok Agrawal and Mr. Sudhir Agrawal, among many others.
Sir, what is your message for the energy conservation and its importance?
The energy is lacking in the country. So solar system program is going on. The program given by Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi should be at large level, and Ryan International is arranging a good program. And to save for saving energy, solar energy system should be developed, and our country's energy should be saved, electricity should be saved, and our country's development is depend on the power. It will help a lot to develop our country.
What is your message for the youth present here?
My message for the youth will be that in the coming days, when our country is making progress, we have to compete with the global scenario. So our youth should be very much prepared, and they should follow the message of Prime Minister, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. We should work very hard, and we should compete with the developed nation. Our aim is that within a span of 10 years, we want to become a superpower. So all the other countries like China and USA, they are already, USA is superpower today, China is also competing, and we are in the race. So all the big nations, their aim is they should become a superpower. By the same way, our country and we also think that we should become superpower. So to become superpower, not only by way of a political way or system, the entire people of our country should think that we should be a superpower, and the role of the young generation is much more bigger in this part.
They truly believed that students are the next generation leaders and can make a big difference by becoming the catalyst of change towards a better future for humanity. This event helped students understand the importance of the usage of renewable energy in the fight against global warming and its consequent adverse impact on humanity with this practical session. This concept of Akshay Urja was very loud and clear at this Maha Surya Kumbh. Students truly had a creative, enriching and enjoyable experience to carry back home and work with a greater zest to save planet Earth and our future.